Hey, welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your own voice in a video by using CapCut. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open your CapCut app. Select the new project. Select a video and now add it. At first, mute your video's audio. As you can see, the video's audio is muted. So now let's go to the audio option. Here you can see there is an option of record. Click on that, and now you have to press and hold the record button and then record your audio. So I am going to record. Let's see. Now you should click on the right option. Our recording is saved. So now let's listen to our voiceover. Hey, you can see how beautiful my hair is, isn't it? Do you like my hair? Okay, thank you. Now you can simply export it from the arrow option. So as you can see, it's done, guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting some more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.